lesson 127. Number 1. Turn to page 297 of your hands-on pages. Measure the match, nail, battery, snail, key, and screw to the nearest 1/4 inch. Use X's to add the data to the line plot. If you have a ruler, go ahead and try this one out. If not, you can skip it. 2. 50 times 7. Take 5 times 7, which equals 35. Don't forget to add the 0. Your total would be 350. 3. Name the shape. So first I name the shape. If I didn't remember, or if I can't remember what it is, I can always flip back to my help pages. And there it is. It is a cube. How many faces does it have? Well, I can see it has 1 here. 1, 2, 3. Then I have to think about this side. 4, 5, and then don't forget the bottom. 6. It has 6 faces, also known as 6 sides. 4. 675 plus 166. 5. The product of 2 numbers is 32. Okay, product. This is a multiplication vocabulary word. So I'm already going to set up my multiplication equation. The product, I know, is an answer to a multiplication equation. If I didn't know that, or wanted to check myself, I could go to my help pages and find my vocabulary. Product. The answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, and my product was what? 32. So that's my answer. 1 factor is 4. Okay. So there's one of the factors. What is the other factor? So I need to figure out this. 4 times something equals 32. 6. The answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. If I forgot this one, I could always look back at the help pages. Circle the picture that shows 48 as 8 times 6. Let's see. I should have either 8 rows or 8 in each group, or 6 rows or 6 in each group. I'm just going to find the one that matches. I can already see this one is not it because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. That means one of your factors would be 4, and I don't see a 4 here. Should be this one. I could double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's where the 6 comes from. And let's see if there's 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, there's 8 rows. It is definitely this picture. 8. Divide the hexagon into 4 equal parts. Shade in one part. What fraction of the hexagon is shaded in? So 4 equal parts. I shade in one part. My fraction is going to be 1 over 4. 1/4 of it is shaded in. Let's see, 9. Rashawn arrived at the theater at 3 p.m. The ticket taker said, "The film starts in 15 minutes. What time will it be when the film starts?" So he got there at 3. And if somebody's saying it starts in 15 minutes, you just add the 15. So it's going to start 3:15. 10. Compare the shaded parts of the 2 circles. Then choose the correct sign. So I could look at my circles here, and what I'm going to use, for me, I'm going to see that this, or say this is a half, because half of it is shaded in, which is 2/4, because 2 parts of it is shaded in, and 4 is how many parts I have. So this is actually equal to a half. Now let's see if this one's equal to a half. Well, 3/8, if this was shaded in, it would be 4/8, which would be a half, which would make them equal. But they're not. This one has less. So 2/4 is greater than alligator mouth. Eats the bigger fraction. 2/4 is greater than 3/8. Or if you read it from left to right, 3/8 is less than 2/4. 11. 6 times 0. Anything times 0 equals 0. A quadrilateral has how many sides? 4. If I forgot this, I could look for it in my help pages. 13. Give the bar graph a title. So it needs a title. But first you have to see what it's about. Trees in Alt Park. Okay. Number the bar graph by tens. So they have the names of the different parts, different types of trees. This side would be going to number the graph by 10. So this can always be 0 here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Fill in the bar graph to match the data in the tally. So the tally marks, remember each one of these with a slash through it counts as 5. So you would start counting by 5s. And look at my oak tree. It starts off with 5 here, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So I draw my bar graph, look like this, fill it in. So that's all you're doing. And you have to fill it in for each one. You have maple, elm, and ash. Those are the types of trees. How many fewer ash trees were there than oaks? So I'd look at my oaks, I'd look at my ash, and I would find out how many fewer ash trees were there than oaks. Okay, if you have any questions with this lesson, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.